Plant FAQs. Hosta Francis Williams. For years, I've been captivated by the beauty of shade gardens. Their cool, calming atmosphere provides a welcome respite from the summer sun, and the lush foliage adds a touch of serenity to any landscape. But among the many shade-loving plants, one has consistently stolen the show: Hosta Francis Williams. This majestic hosta boasts a timeless elegance that transcends trends. Its bold, variegated leaves and impressive stature make it a focal point in any shady corner. But beyond its aesthetics, Francis Williams offers a surprising amount of practicality for the gardener. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Hosta Francis Williams. Hosta Francis Williams isn't a fussy plant. In fact, its ease of care is a major part of its appeal. Here's what you need to know to cultivate this shade superstar. Light. Francis Williams thrives in dappled shade to full shade. Avoid placing it in areas with harsh afternoon sun, as this can scorch its leaves. Soil. Well-drained, moist soil is key. Amending your existing soil with compost or other organic matter can help ensure proper drainage and provide essential nutrients. Watering. Consistent moisture is important, especially during the first growing season. Water deeply at the base of the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can give your Francis Williams a boost. However, this isn't strictly necessary for healthy growth. Is Hosta Francis Williams huge? Absolutely. Hosta Francis Williams is a true giant in the shade garden world. At maturity, it can reach a height of 2 to 3 feet and a spread of 4 to 5 feet. Its impressive size makes it a perfect choice for filling in larger spaces or creating a dramatic backdrop for smaller shade-loving plants. Are Francis Williams hosta poisonous? While Hosta Francis Williams isn't deadly, it does contain saponins, a compound that can cause stomach upset and irritation if ingested. This makes it a good idea to keep them out of reach of children and pets. More than just beauty, the benefits of Hosta Francis Williams. Beyond its captivating looks, Hosta Francis Williams offers several benefits to the garden. Low maintenance. As mentioned earlier, this hosta requires minimal care, making it a great choice for busy gardeners or those new to shade gardening. Slug resistance. Unlike many other hostas, Francis Williams has a natural resistance to slugs, which can be a major pest in some areas. Erosion control. The dense root system of Francis Williams helps prevent soil erosion in shady areas. Designing with Hosta Francis Williams. With its bold foliage and impressive size, Hosta Francis Williams can be a versatile addition to your shade garden. Here are some ideas for incorporating it into your design. Specimen planting. Showcase the majesty of Francis Williams by planting it as a solitary specimen in a shady bed. Companion planting. Pair Francis Williams with shade-loving perennials like ferns, heucheras, or astilbes for a textural contrast. Border powerhouse. Use Francis Williams as a striking border plant along walkways or patios. A shade garden gem. The final word on Hosta Francis Williams. Hosta Francis Williams is more than just a pretty face. It's a low-maintenance powerhouse that offers beauty, practicality, and a touch of drama to any shade garden. So, if you're looking for a shade-loving star to elevate your landscape, look no further than the enduring appeal of Hosta Francis Williams.